Alright, y'all, we're back. We just got the car dropped off. Sorry I didn't record the little short ride. That's done. We're gonna get the backup car so we can hurry up and get the footage of the lights being take off so you can see what the bullshit I was dealing with. But now we're gonna be fully visible. Um, we got the title. Now we got a couple of more days before she'll be legal and on the road. Within the next couple of days, I'll show you guys the brakes and the long head tubers that we got. They should be in about 2-3 more days, but we're gonna go from there and let y'all know how that is. All right, guys, we got the second car, little Honda. We're pulling back up to First Choice is where we're gonna get the lights set. The car's already there. We're gonna be just getting them installed. They really look nice too. So we're finna be getting this done shortly, and we're gonna go from there as soon as we get from this long light. Excuse me, just a little tired. Don't get sleep too often, so I'm always ripping and running. Here we go, guys. Back up, we're going. Come on. Alrighty. Next 30 seconds, we're gonna be there. We can try to hurry up so we can see him uninstall and then install the new. So I told them I'd just be a hot second, so they should understand. Shop. She is in the back, and we'll be seeing how this goes very shortly. Alright, guys, let's lock little Betsy up and get going. Love changing quarters. Sorry. All right. He in the back. You ready? Oh. He in the back? Damn. Guess we too late, guys. Oh. Well, we got just what we needed. How long before you put it in? Trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. If you're in Louisiana area, your First Choice will get you right. But you go ahead, boss man. I'm sorry. Don't want to stop his process. That's the new lights, guys. It's pretty sure to have a little bit more in and out once we get the tags on them. They do look good.
Oh, yeah, they do.
Yup. It's a process for everything now. And we have the other one in the box. Damn. Guess he do move fast. I got another question. How much to put on brakes?
That's something you didn't give James.
Oh,
Back, all the way around?
yeah, all the way around.
You have the parts or you need total?
I already got the brakes.
What's that?
I already got the brakes.
So you have the pads?
Everything.
You have pads and rotors or just pads?
Oh, just pads. I just want to put the pads. I do want to go with a bigger brake caliber, but not just yet. Like the slotted little ones with the holes in it. But for now, I just need the brakes because right now, they out. Like I got the pads at the house. Trying to get that together too.
Here's the thing, though. Anytime you put new brake pads on,
Uh-huh.
replace the rotors or resurface them. You can put pads on without resurfacing the rotors, but if you're using the old pads, the old rotor surface, the brake pads don't last as long.
What if I have them serviced like you're saying?
Oh no, I mean, I'm just saying. If you only want me to put the pads on, we can do that without. There's no way to get the rotors turned today anyway. It's too late.
So how much would that be though?
If we do the front and the rear, it's about an hour and a half worth of work. About $120.
All right.
The only thing is, like you're talking about brake upgrades on that.
Mm-hmm.
If you go to a different rotor, you can have the drilled look or the slotted look, whatever. It's not gonna be any bigger.
Right.
If you want to go to a bigger brake, you have to change your caliper.
Yeah.
Everything. That's an expensive upgrade.
Oh, I know. Trying to do a little pricey stuff right now. So look like we're gonna really have to get money. All right, guys.
Squealing or anything? Or?
It's just right now I know it ain't no meat on there, so
Here's the thing you gotta remember too, is on a Mustang especially, 85% of your braking is the front. The rear brakes don't do a lot. So getting down the wire, nothing else to do the front brakes.
gotcha.
You can always come back and do the rear later. The front brakes, that's what eats up the most, and that's what stops your car.
Gotcha.
Usually you change your front brakes twice in the lifetime of the rear brakes. Sometimes you get 2.5 times out of front
You
to
just wanna
rear.
put
Learning a little bit,
pads
too.
on, $60.
Okay. Well then, shit, I'll be coming to see y'all a little sooner than I thought. All right, y'all. We're gonna get back at y'all when we get the finished look. All right, guys. Good evening. We just got back to the house. We parked the car. We got the lights installed. We just finished. We bring it back. We finna get a little review of that too. Finally, we got the light. So the next job we're actually gonna be really getting done is actually job we're gonna be getting done now is them putting a little film strip on it so they could be in place, but they're in. We actually had our old ones right here. That's the old ones. We finally got those out. They look good. Actually might start it up as well.